What is up, ladies and gentlemen, self-publishers all around the world? It's your keyword man, Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a video on Kindle, Amazon publishing, whatever the hell you want to call it. I call it Amazon publishing. People call it Kindle publishing, even though most of my money's made off of Kindle and rather on paperbacks, but I don't want to go off on a tangent on that. What I want to talk about today, for some of you publishers out there who don't know who I am, just a quick tidbit about my personal story with self-publishing. For those of you who don't know me, hi, I'm Jacob. I've been publishing for a year and a half now. I started in January of 2017, which is of last year at the time that I'm filming this. So with a year and a half of experience, I've been able to do a lot with self-publishing. It's actually changed my life. A little bit more on that later. But what I've got here is a screenshot of how I did in July, about 6 months after starting self-publishing. Prior to this, I was doing moderately well. Like, I had earned my first $1,000 at like the beginning point of June. And then shortly after joining up the group My Self-Publishing Blueprint, which is the course for learning how to publish on Amazon, through the self-publishing process, I did this book on fidget spinners. It was one of my first books that I had self-published right after joining the course and following all the instructions and all the mechanics. And as you can see here, in the month of July alone, this book made me over $1,500 USD. In just 1 month, I literally sold 576 copies of one book, amongst other titles that I had up. And after that, I had some successes with like Ethereum, some other cryptocurrency books, and some powerlifting books that I published after that. But one book of significance that really got me to semi like C grade, D grade prominence on YouTube, at least for the self-publishing world, is this book. It was the Yo-Yo Tricks book that I published around the fall of last year. At first, sales were dismal. But because I followed the course's guidelines and like the whole criteria for proper keyword research, I just stuck to the plan. And even though sales were slow at the beginning, during the Christmas holiday season, I saw this book start to go, and it exploded like, I don't know, like ISIS explosions going off in the Middle East or some shit. But like, I made literally in one day, not 1 month, one day, $730 off of my Yo-Yo Tricks book. It was January 31st of last year, and this is a real screenshot from my CreateSpace dashboard. So both of the books that I've shown you here, the Yo-Yo Tricks book and the Fidget Spinner book, have made me thousands of dollars in profit. They're not obviously the only books that I have had or had successes with. I've had really good successes with other books. And I'm starting to really hit it off with the new book that I have out right now. Not going to disclose what it is until after it's had its run, just like these books have. So that's basically who I am. Now, why was I successful? Perhaps more successful than a lot of other self-publishers? Well, number one, yes, I have to say it. It's not shameless marketing. It's the truth. My self-publishing blueprint will be your definite step-by-step guide to making your first $1,000 online. Like, yes, honestly speaking, I would have made $1,000 online anyway with Kindle publishing had I not ever purchased the blueprint. I would have probably still watched Emeka's videos because he's the man. Like, he's the #1 authority right now on Amazon publishing as far as being able to teach it. But I was able to make it a lot sooner than what would have been possible alone. And just the results that I've had, like I've literally, 10x'd the capital I've put in for self-publishing. Probably more than that by now, because there's been months where I just collect the paychecks where I'm making $2,000 up to $4,000 per month, which to some of you people who are not really versed yet with online marketing, that sounds like a shitload of money. And yeah, I'm grateful for it. But it's not as much as you think. Like, you can do it. You can achieve it too. And the first step to doing that and gaining the confidence and believing you can do it is making that first $1,000 online. And that this is what this course is aimed towards. So If you're interested, check it out. At the very least, check out Emeka Osai's videos. It's on YouTube. He's again got the #1 channel on it. I think he's up over 500 videos now, and his stuff is priceless. Like, you don't even really have to buy this course. Just watch all of his free videos, and you'll get a lot farther than you ever could just winging it yourself. So, if you are interested, however, in pursuing the course, I do have a link below. If you choose to buy the course through my link, I'll throw in an hour of coaching for you one-on-one. Just let me know when you buy the course. Otherwise, give this a go. If you're interested in making money online, get started just watching videos. You can watch my videos, or Mecca's, whichever the case may be, and get started. Like, there's no really any advantage to holding off until like trying to publish that first book. Just get started, make your mistakes, get accustomed to the learning curve. This course will cut off that learning curve significantly, but yeah, get started and get going, man. So, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll answer, of course, as it's my channel and that's what I'm supposed to do for ya. Actually, I want to help you. I want to help you make your first $1,000 online. So, aside from that, new keyword course is coming officially. So, you heard it from me. The course should be ready around June-ish. It's kicking ass. Like, I've got stuff that no one has ever seen before in terms of keyword research or even finding keywords, like stuff you've never heard of, never even thought of, stuff that no one knows, not even Emeka, not Luca, not the fucking Mickelson twins, who, as awesome as they are, they don't know my shit. I don't think even Ollie, who makes $13,000 a month online now consistently, knows some of the stuff that I'll be bringing out to y'all. So the plan is to keep it somewhat affordable. We're thinking right now a very affordable monthly subscription fee, and perhaps a deal if you decide to subscribe for a longer period of time. But yeah, be on the lookout, and I'll have more information for you soon. So, see ya!